Hari AUM. Welcome to day 1 of our 30-day yoga journey with Yogananda Krishna. Today we begin gently with movements to awaken the body and prepare the mind for the path ahead. Start in a comfortable seated pose. Close your eyes, place your palms on your knees, and take a deep breath in and slowly out. Bring your arms up overhead, stretch tall, and open your chest to welcome new energy. Exhale as you fold forward gently, relaxing the head and shoulders, letting go of all tension. Slowly rise into cat-cow flow. Inhale as you arch the spine and lift the heart. Exhale as you round the spine and release. Repeat with your breath. Come into child's pose. Rest your forehead on the mat, arms extended forward, grounding yourself in calmness. Now bring your palms together at your heart. Breathe in deeply. Silently repeat the mantra number 1 to 08. Let it remind you of 1, oneness with self and universe. 0, emptiness and infinite potential of the practice. 8, balance, strength, and the eternal cycle of energy. Finish seated, palms together at your heart. Bow gently and welcome this journey of awareness, balance, and peace.